The skill of scanning involves quickly searching for specific information within a text, which is particularly beneficial if you are looking to enhance your study efficiency. This technique enables you to focus on key terms, headings, and highlighted sections, allowing for faster processing of information. By mastering scanning, you can save time while still gathering relevant content for your studies. Before scanning, skim through the text to get an overall understanding of its structure and main ideas. This creates a mental outline that will assist in identifying what information to search for. Then, look through the weekly topics, assignments, and discussions in the course. This will help you know what to focus on as you scan the readings. As you scan, pause to define and highlight key terms or questions related to your study objectives. These notes will help you quickly locate relevant information without getting distracted by unnecessary details. Here are some tips for effective scanning. Look for bold or italicized text, bullet points, and lists, as these often highlight important information. Use your cursor, finger, or a pen to guide your eyes along the page, which can improve focus and speed. Finally, summarize the key points you have found, reinforcing your learning and ensuring you can retain the information for future reference. By integrating these strategies into your study routine, you will not only enhance your scanning skills, but also increase your overall academic effectiveness. Now here's the challenge. Incorporate scanning exercises into your daily reading. Start with shorter texts and progressively work your way up to longer documents. Use a timer to challenge yourself and improve your speed while maintaining comprehension.